What's your opinion on family over education?
Kasi minsan wala nang choice. Like for example, you're working because you need to support your studies and at the same time, you also need to support your family. So sometimes, kapag nagkukulang na yung funds nyo sa family, yung pera na para doon sa ACADS mo, you have to give out para sa pamilya naman this time. And hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon, meron tayong backup. Kasi minsan, yung mga nagwo-work, sila na yung backup. The problem is, kung ikaw na yung backup, sino yung backup mo?
Paki-comment ka dyan, mga working students. I feel so bad.
Kaya minsan, hindi naman nila gustong mag-stop, pero they have to. Kasi I just wanna share. Kasi the first time I work, parang nag-stop din ako sa pag-aaral. Kasi I cannot sustain it anymore. My family cannot sustain it anymore. So I have to contribute and I have to work. So I stopped studying for like 2 years. Tapos nung medyo naging okay na kami, doon lang ako nakabalik sa pag-aaral ko ulit. Kasi yun yung reason kung bakit minsan, you have to prioritize your family as well. Kasi minsan, mas mahalaga yung kakainin nyo kaysa dun sa diploma.
Oh, that's a very nice quote. If you guys are working students, nag-stop lang kayo saglit para sa magulang nyo or kung ano man yan, please resume after. Please continue it after.